Hey guys, me and George are back with another spooky story. And today we're going to be talking about the teeniest tiny monster of them all, the Pinhole leak monster.
Oh, this one's really cute.
You're right, he is. But he's big trouble for being such a little guy. Anyway, Mr. and Mrs. J had lived in their Central Florida home nearly 30 years. It had survived everything, even the triple threat of hurricanes Charlie, Francis, and Jean in 2004. They were happy, comfortable, and blissfully unaware of the horror that was about to unfold. One morning, Mrs. J walked into her home office and noticed a small, wet spot on the carpet near the air conditioning closet. She assumed it was their dog, a simple accident. But when she knelt down to wipe it, she noticed the liquid was cold, clear, and odorless. And worse, the carpet felt spongy and soft beneath her knees.
Ew?
Yeah, a growing dread began to creep in. She opened the closet door. The AC drain pan was dry. Everything looked normal. Mr. J came to see what the fuss was about. He remembered the house had pipes that ran underground. The two of them began to move the furniture and pull up the carpet. The padding was soaked all the way to the hallway, but that was just the beginning of the nightmare. Mrs. J peeled back the padding, and there it was. The concrete slab beneath the carpet was entirely wet and had a small crack running through it. Old paint lines and sealant smears from the house's construction were covered in a layer of water. This wasn't a simple spill. It was a leak from deep within the earth.
Uh-oh.
A plumber was called immediately. The plumber arrived, and after a series of diagnostics confirmed their worst fear. The source of the terror was a pinhole leak monster. Right there in the copper piping. In Florida, these are all too common. Minerals in the ground and water cause the copper to corrode over time, leading to tiny, almost invisible leaks that can cause massive destruction. The J family was forced to undergo a major overhaul. The plumbing company repiped their home, running new, flexible PEX piping through their attic, a durable plastic that won't corrode and subject the J's to the same reign of terror as their old pipes. A simple stain, a soggy carpet, or even a subtle change in your water pressure could be the first sign to a much more sinister problem lurking just below your feet. Don't wait until the damage is irreversible. Give Kalos a call so we can have one of our expert plumbing professionals out to ensure your home is in tip-top working shape when it comes to the pipes bringing water into your home.